So I'll just post a little follow-up to my other video about these sensor mounts I made. So this is the one I'm going to use for the flex fuel sensor, and this is the one I'm going to use for the Mac valve. But some of the others I've printed, and these are just off files online. So that's for a different size Mac valve. This one won't fit in there. I printed multiple other flex fuel mounts. What else have I printed? Oh yeah, I made a stand for my phone. So when I'm up on the computer, I can just stand my phone in there. I printed this little thing. I've still got to tap some threads and put some bolts in, but this is like a swivel for making my vape coils, but every piece is 3D printed. And so one thing I forgot to mention was Creality version 3 SE has auto bed leveling. So this is the bed. You don't have to do anything. You just select it in the little computer there. It does itself. Direct drive extruder. Ceramic hot end, so it can go up to really high temperatures to do high temperature stuff like nylon and this PET G that I used for these. And then I changed it out for a hardened steel nozzle, so in the future I can print carbon infused nylon, which needs not only a hot temperature, so ceramic hot end, but also is abrasive, so hence the hardened steel nozzle. And that's about it. Get yourself a glue stick wherever it's gone, or a couple of glue sticks, purple Elmer's glue stick, and a dryer, particularly if you're doing PET G or nylon, it needs to be dry. And away you go. Get some files online. That's about it. The only adjustment I had to make when I changed the hot end was I went from 1.57 Z offset, which is Z axis up and down. I changed it to 1.7 because it wasn't printing properly. So there's a little sensor that goes down when it hits the bed. That's your Z sensor, and the offset between the sensor and where the nozzle is, that's your Z offset. And so I had to change that by 0.13. So from 1.57 to 1.7. And that's it. Thought this was helpful. Leave us a like. If you want to see more of my crappy videos, click subscribe. I'm sure there'll be some more. And thanks for watching. Leave me a comment if you have any questions.